Howdy everybody, we are back again. Time to mow that grass again, so Miss Courtney here gonna do it, and I'm gonna try to get some footage, and I don't know what else we're gonna do, so y'all stay tuned. I know y'all are saying, it's under a shed, why do you got tarps on it? Well, we got Bigfoot who lives back under there, and he crawls over his junk, and that's why. Alrighty guys and gals, so the yard is now mowed. I'll show you. Sure does look pretty now. Sure does. I'll show y'all back down in there when we get back. We gotta head over to the meat market now, get us some more meat and such for the week. So some more bacon and I don't know, whatever else they got. So let's go. Alrighty guys and gals, so what we're doing tonight is what you call HObO dinners. You know, we just gonna take some onions, some potatoes, meat, that kind of deal, and wrap it all together individually in little meals, season it, throw it in the fire and let it cook that way. So I gotta season a grate down there and clean that fire pit up. We ain't used it since last fall when it was cooler weather, so now that it's starting to be cooler weather, we'll be able to use that again. So we're just gonna get the stuff prepped right now, and then we'll go down there and light the fire and let them grates be burning off, start cleaning them, and then we'll throw this on there later. So I'm just gonna take an onion now and just get it ready. But in the cooler weather, we like to cook outside over a fire like that. It's been too darn blaring hot. So we got potatoes over here. These are just red potatoes, and we want these pieces fairly smaller so they won't be, the meat won't be overcooked by the time these get soft. So we're gonna make these pretty tiny, just little chunks here. And these are real good for camping too. Like if you don't want a big mess to clean up, I mean, ain't no dishes. You can pre-bag the stuff and make it up before you go, and make it that much easier, and they're really good. So I mean, we like to do them every once in a while. You can add your own kind of meat to them, you know, whatever you want to put in there, vegetable wise, that kind of deal. So I think that's enough potatoes for us. So we'll save that one and shoot that out the tater cannon. Now we got this done. Put that in there. Now let's pull out this meat now. So that's just stew meat, beef. We get down there at the meat market. This is, I think, 2 pounds. Yep, 2 pounds. It's pretty looking meat. See it right there? You ain't really got to do nothing to this. We like the big chunks. I mean, really nothing at all. We'll just give this a good coating. And then we'll just throw it in here. We'll just kind of give her just a little roll around. So let's go out there and light that fire. Alrighty guys and gals, so here's the fire pit. Here's the grate. We got this other grate on here. This was actually the bottom of the grill. And I used this grate on here just to hold this other grate up because it's pretty rough. Cook on that one. I may need to get another one because that one looks pretty rough too. I mean, this is the place to be in the cooler weather. So I dug it out a couple of days ago. Y'all had seen that. Got all the junk out of it. So I'm gonna burn this box in there today and get some wood in there. Get cooking, I reckon. I'll let y'all watch me cleaning it out while I get this box dismantled. That'd probably be the best. Probably won't burn. Alright, so while that fire's cooking down, we'll go ahead and start these. I'll do the first one and then I'll finish them up, just so y'all can see what they are. How are we gonna do this? Anyhow. So we're just gonna take some of this. Like that. Some onion. I like big chunks of onions because these will cook down. Yeah. We'll take some carrots. Gotta be healthy, right? meat. This way you can choose what you put in there, because like Courtney, she don't eat carrots or onion, but she eats potatoes and meat, and then we can throw her something extra in there. But that way you can make them specifically for, you know, whoever, and then just throw that raw deliciousness right there on top, about like that. Okay, let me wash my hands. You know, here's the secret: brown gravy mix. Just little dab of D. Just give it a light coating with that, about like that. Give it a little bit more love, and that's all there is to it. Man, we're just gonna make like a boat out of this. Move it up this way. About like that. That's it. Put that on the grill. You may ought to double these up. There's one. And then we just keep on going. Just like that. Keep that fire moving around how we need it. Now we just go get some more wood. Alrighty, so we're gonna take these in here, let these jokers cool down. I'm gonna hop in the shower and then we'll show you what they look like. Alrighty guys and gals, so they are done. Let me show you this one here. It's hot. Look at that, look at that. Oh, it's fogging my mirror up, my screen up. Don't that look good? So we're gonna eat and we'll get back at y'all. Alrighty guys and gals, that's gonna do it for this video. It's the next morning, we're over here at the shop getting busy. So if y'all enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see all you guys and gals on the next one.